everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I am going to show you how we are going to make these crochet flowers, these crochet flower appliques. It is really very easy, especially for beginners, dear friends. For this project, if you have this kind of scrap yarns, this project is very suitable for you. You can sew up these on your crochet bags, crochet cardigans, crochet hats. You can also use this as a back charm. Anything you can imagine, you can use this. I really like crocheting this kind of flowers, dear friends. We need 3mm hook, we need a darning needle, and we need a scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. Okay, let's go on crocheting. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Now we are starting crocheting. I'm taking my yarn in my hand and I am starting with magic ring. I am doing magic ring like this. I am keeping here. I am making one chain and I am going on making single stitches around this magic ring. This is single stitch 1. This is single stitch 2. This is single stitch 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be careful, always this yarn end will be around the ring. It's been 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I am pulling it a bit like this. 15, and this is 16. Totally 16 single stitches we made. Now I will pull this yarn end. I am keeping like this and pulling. When I pull it, the space disappears, as you see. Okay. Now I am inserting my hook on top of this first single stitch like this, yarn over, pull through, and slip stitch, one chain, and cutting the yarn, pulling again. Okay, now the first round finished. We are on the second round. I'm taking another color in my hand. Of course, if you want, you can go on with the same color. Now I will keep this one that I cut when finishing on this round, because when crocheting I will also hide this at the same time. This is the place that I finished. Now I am inserting my hook beside this. I am keeping this like this. One moment, once again I will try, and I am making yarn over like this and fixing. Okay, now I fixed the new yarn, new color on this first round. Now 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and 2 loops pull through, and I am keeping these 2 loops on the hook, yarn over. Now I am going to the following single stitch here, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops I'm making pull through. There are now 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch here, this one, and I am keeping these on the stitch like this. I am hiding them, inserting my hook through the following stitch here like this, 2 loops, pull through, keeping these 2 loops on the hook and inserting my hook through the same stitch, also 2 loops, pull through, yarn over. Now I am going to the following stitch here and yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, pull through like this, yarn over. Now I will pull through 1 2 3 4 loops in one time like this, 3 chains, 1 2 3, yarn over. I'm going to the following stitch. Let me show you here, this stitch. This is the following stitch. I am inserting my hook through that stitch, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, pull through, yarn over, and 2 loops, pull through once again, yarn over. Now I am going to the following stitch. Look, let me show you here, following stitch. I am going there, 2 loops, pull through. Now 1 2 3 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, one moment, pull through, 3 chains. Between each cluster, between each petals, we are always making 3 chains, 3 chains, 3 chains, and I made 3 chains as well. Inserting my hook through the following stitch, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, and keeping these 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, keeping these 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, going to the following stitch, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops. These 2 loops I'm making pull through. Now there are 1 2 3 4 loops on the hook, yarn over. I will pull through these 4 loops in one time like this, 3 chains, 1 2 3, yarn over. Look, I am going to the following stitch. Let me show you this stitch, this following stitch, inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, keeping these 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, yarn over, and pull through them all in one time, 1 2 and 3, yarn over. I'm showing all the steps, especially for absolute beginners. I'm going to the following stitch here, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, keeping these 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, going to the same stitch here, inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, yarn over. Now I am going to the following stitch here, yarn over, pull through, and 2 loops, pull through. There are now 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through. 1 2 3 4 5 6 petals we made. 1 2 3, yarn over, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook through that stitch, yarn over, pull through like this, keeping these 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same stitch here, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, yarn over. I'm going to the following stitch, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through. There are now 1 2 3 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, 1 2 and 3 chains, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch here, inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through, keeping these 2 loops on the hook and yarn over. Okay, inserting my hook through the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. Now I am going to the last stitch, inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, only 2 loops, pull through I'm making. Yarn over, pull through them all in one time. 1, 2, 3 chains. Now I'm inserting my hook here on top of this first petal. This is our first petal, inserting my hook on top of this petal, yarn over, making a slip stitch. Okay, making 1 chain. Yes, that's all. The flower is finished. I am cutting the yarn. Now I will clean all the yarn ends in the back side. It's very easy, dear friends, as you see. You can sew up these on your crochet scarves, cardigans, beanies, bags, anything you can imagine. You can use this flower. This is especially very nice for crochet beginners. First of all, I am going to start from the center. I am taking my needle in my hand. And in the back side, I will pull through the needle from the back side. One moment. Now I will make a knot like this. I will fix the yarn in the back side. In the center, making a knot is important because we started with magic ring. If we do not make the knot, then the center can be open again. In order to keep the center closed like this, it is better to make a knot. Okay, it's been like this. Now, for the others, since they are short, I will go on hiding the yarn end with a small size hook. If you don't have small size hook, you can go on with the same hook you already crochet, but it is easier to go on with smaller size hook. This is 1.5 millimeters hook. I am using this hook for hiding the yarn ends in the back side. Okay, I can cut it now. There is only small yarn ends here. Yes, I cleaned all the yarn ends in the back side. This is the front side. That's all, dear friends. Our flower finished. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. Hope you love these beautiful crochet flowers. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.